Is your Philips TV refusing to turn on? Here's a guide with 9 methods to troubleshoot and fix the issue effectively. Let's dive straight into the solutions. Method 1. Check power cord and outlet. First, ensure that the power cord is securely connected to both the TV and the power outlet. Try plugging the TV into a different outlet or use another device to confirm if the outlet is working. Method 2. Perform a soft reset. Unplug the TV from the power source for at least 10–15 minutes. Afterward, plug it back in and attempt to power it on. This can help discharge residual power and reset internal components. Method 3. Inspect remote control. If you're trying to turn on the TV with the remote, double-check the batteries. Sometimes the issue isn't with the TV itself, but with the remote not sending signals properly. Try turning on the TV using the power button on the TV itself. Method 4. Check for DSEC conflicts. Philips TVs support DSEC, which allows control over multiple devices through one remote. If another device is taking priority, it may prevent your TV from turning on. Disconnect other HDMI devices and try turning on the TV again. Method 5. Power board and surge protection issues. If your TV is connected through a surge protector, try plugging it directly into the wall socket. Sometimes, a faulty surge protector can prevent the TV from receiving enough power to boot up. Method 6. Perform a factory reset. If your TV turns on but doesn't display anything, or it seems frozen, you might need a factory reset. Look in the user manual for specific reset instructions. Be mindful that this will erase all personal settings. Method 7. Update firmware. If the TV powers on but doesn't work correctly, check if there's a firmware update available. Outdated software can sometimes cause a malfunction. Download the latest firmware from the Philips website and install it via USB. Method 8. Inspect the backlight for dark screens. Sometimes, the TV appears off when it's actually on, but the backlight is malfunctioning. To check, shine a flashlight close to the screen. If you see faint images, the issue lies with the backlight, and professional repair may be needed. Method 9. Capacitor and power supply issues. In some cases, the problem could be internal, such as faulty capacitors on the power board. If you're comfortable with electronics, you can open the back panel to inspect for any bulging capacitors. However, it's best to consult a professional for this step. If none of these methods work, it might be time to contact Philips support for a deeper investigation or professional repair service.